Alex works 2 part-time jobs. He receives $10 per hour when working as a cook in a restaurant and $8 per hour when working at a music store. To pay all of his monthly expenses, he needs to make at least $360 per week. Let X represent the number of hours he works at the restaurant, and Y represent the number of hours he works at the music store. Write an inequality in which his total weekly income is at least $360. So since X represents the restaurant work, which is $10 an hour, and Y represents the music store rate, which is $8 per hour, we write the inequality 10x plus 8y greater than or equal to 360. The next part of the problem asks us to graph the inequality. Because he can work only a positive number of hours, restrict the graph to the first quadrant. So we look here and we have a graph in the first quadrant. X represents the number of hours that he works at the restaurant, and Y is the number of hours at the music store. To graph this inequality, we first had to graph the equation 10x plus 8y equals 360. We graphed it by getting 2 ordered pairs. Letting x be 0, we got the ordered pair 0, 45. Letting y be 0, we got the ordered pair 36, 0. So we graphed 0, 45 and 36, 0. And then we graphed the line. Because the inequality was greater than or equal, we graphed a solid line. And then we chose a point, like the point 0, 0, and checked to see if 0, 0 satisfied the inequality. Substituting x being 0 and y being 0, we got 10 times 0 plus 8 times 0. Was it greater than or equal to 360? And so we got 0. Was it greater than or equal to 360? And the answer was no, so we shaded in the other region. Now we go to the next part of the problem. This says, give a combination of hours that provides him with an income of exactly 360. So the equation 10x plus 8y equals 360. There are many possibilities, but one is when we let x equals 0, we get 10 times 0 plus 8y is 360. 8y is 360, so we get that y is 45. So this gives us a possible answer was 0, 45. Part D asks, give a combination of hours that provide him with an income of more than $360. So there are many answers, and one possible answer is 10, 35.